Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to build a simple website with Webydo. Use the link to Webydo in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website. Webydo is a website builder for web design freelancers and agencies with a built-in CMS and hosting to create websites faster and grow businesses. Head over to Webydo and sign up for a free trial. Decide how you'll start your site. Blank canvas, most flexibility, but it requires building everything from scratch. A pre-made theme gives you a head start with a design structure. Wireframes offers basic layout options for common website types. Webydo uses a drag-and-drop interface. Explore the elements on the left side and drag them onto your workspace. You can add text, images, shapes, buttons, and more. The right side menu lets you customize the look and feel of each element. Your website will likely have multiple pages. Use the top bar to add and manage these pages. Webydo allows you to define navigation menus that help visitors move between pages. Double-click on the text boxes to enter your website's content. Webydo also supports embedding things like forms and videos. Webydo has a built-in preview mode to see how your website looks on different devices. Once you're happy, you can publish your site to make it live on the web. Webydo offers a tiered pricing structure with 4 plans catering to different needs. Starter plan ideal for individuals, build and host one site effortlessly. It includes one designer account and email support. Pro plan is the most basic plan. The pricing is per website, so $75 per month when billed annually is how much you pay if you have 10 sites. Otherwise, it's $7.50 for each site when billed annually. It includes one designer account, free hosting and CMS for up to 10 sites, chat and email support, and client billing. Team plan is ideal for small teams. The pricing is per website. So $150 per month when billed annually is how much you pay if you have 30 sites. Otherwise, it's $5 for each site when billed annually. It offers everything in the Pro plan, along with up to 3 designer accounts, onboarding and setup assistance, the ability to add custom code to your site, white-labeled CMS. Agency plan is designed for agencies with a high volume of projects. The pricing is per website, so $400 per month when billed annually is how much you pay if you have 100 sites. Otherwise, it's $4 for each site when billed annually. It includes everything in the team plan, plus a dedicated account manager, the ability to add custom code to your site and access the site code, and a customer template generator. Enterprise plan is for businesses with specific needs and a large number of sites. Pricing is custom quoted, so you'll need to contact Webydo directly for a specific rate. It includes everything in the agency plan, along with the ability to create a custom number of designer accounts, and potentially other features tailored to your business. Don't forget to use the link to Webydo in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website.